How do we truly measure the effectiveness of a communication platform? Are we simply counting numbers, or are we also considering how deeply we can connect with individuals and communities? So, these are the questions I'm reflecting on as I think about the role of new media in development communication. But right now, I can say that after taking the course, I believe that new media has some more personal, more efficient, and more impactful approach. And here are five reasons why. First, new media can help reach people in remote areas. So there are still places that can connect with traditional media, but platforms like internet radio and ebooks can bridge that gap. And that's due to internet connection. So, according to the Philippine Statistics Authority, more than 50 million Filipinos already have access to the internet. Also, the most frequently found household device was the mobile phone. Very obvious, with 81.7% of households having one. So, currently, there are also thousands of free Wi Fi sites across the country, and internet access is also felt in the geographically isolated and disadvantaged areas. Examples are Basilan, Sulu, and Tawi-Tawi. So, this is important to mention because internet connectivity is key to achieving development goals. There's a study that shows that a 10% increase in mobile broadband adoption can boost GDP by 0.8%. Next, expanding educational access. Why does this matter? So, in rural areas of the Philippines, education often faces challenges due to limited resources, right? So, digital platforms like ebooks offer an affordable and easily accessible alternative, and the users are open to using them. A 2022 study found that 87% of Filipino students want more technology integrated into their classrooms. So, this trend highlights a significant shift that can enhance development communication efforts, particularly in education and awareness. That's by reaching underserved communities with the tools they need for success. Third, cost effective solutions. So, if your development project is facing tight budgets, well, new media platforms become the more affordable solution. For example, running a social media campaign or or sharing information through ebooks. So that costs less than traditional radio or TV programs. A World Bank report already suggests that digital platforms help lower the cost of spreading education and health information, which is important, especially for resource constrained environments. So, this cost effectiveness makes new media a practical choice. Fourth, culturally relevant content. So, we can say that diversity in our country can make it tough for mainstream media to reach everyone. But new media can address this by offering content in different regional languages. So, when information is shared in a local dialect, people are more likely to engage with it and find it meaningful. A case in point, research shows that using local dialects in education can have a powerful impact on students' learning. So, when students are taught in their native language, they tend to perform better because they can more fully engage with the material. So, not only does this approach uh, support academic growth, but it also helps with emotional, social, and cognitive development. So, in areas where many dialects are spoken, it's important to choose the right language for instruction as it can make a big difference in student success. Many experts are advocating for strategies that incorporate local dialects to help students thrive in the classroom. So, this customization makes a real impact. Lastly, real time interaction. So, social media platforms make it easier for organizations to get quick feedback from communities. For example, on X or the former Twitter, it lets people comment, share opinions, and ask questions right away. So, this is a game changer for development communication. It allows organizations to adjust their messages on the spot and based on real time reactions No need to wait for surveys or meetings. In disaster response, for instance, agencies can post updates and instantly learn about people's needs and challenges. So, this quick exchange helps them tweak their approach and offer support exactly when it's needed. So, the new media offer more than just convenience. They open the door to a future where information reaches faster and more effectively than ever before. I think the question is no longer whether new media will play a role, but how soon it will reshape the nation's development trajectory. Thank you.